Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the Kiwi dollar gave us a really significant break of structure all the way up to at least a daily time frame. This is a very strong move to the upside. That proves to me that this whole move down is likely complete. And if my monthly time frame analysis is correct, I think we are likely now going to go up in a wave C, which is going to bring us all the way up to probably someplace around the 0.66, 0.77 area. So a lot of upside potential, definitely. Now, this first move up is likely just a wave one of this uptrend. So don't feel like you're missing out. Eventually it is going to make probably a pretty decent pullback for like a big old wave two. And eventually it will probably start a brand new uptrend for a wave three. So there should be plenty of opportunities to get in this. Anyways, go down to the 1 hour time frame. This is definitely still all one trend. We are still in the wave one from the higher time frames. The only thing that's going to tell me that this trend is over is seeing a break of this structure because that's the last swing low that price made before it started a new series of higher highs, higher lows. So if it goes down and takes out this low, that would turn me into a seller. It would also tell me that we are very likely in a wave two, which would be a correction to the whole move up. If it doesn't go down and break this low right here, then in my eyes, there's no reason to go short. And really, the only thing you should be doing is looking for pullback entries to continue to look for longs every chance you get, at least until we see a significant break of structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.